Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that everything you've ever known about the planet was wrong. The world didn't end. It just flattened. Mountains look like smug paper cuts on a cosmic pancake. Airplanes are confused. The moon looks offended. And somewhere, a group of flat Earth believers are screaming, "See? We told you so." Congratulations, Kevin from the internet. You finally got your wish. Earth is flat. Completely. Instantly. No refunds. Let's see how long that lasts. It happens in a blink. Gravity screams. The planet stretches, pops, and flops like a cosmic pizza dough gone wrong. Every building, every ocean, every continent, instantly rearranged. Your house? Probably upside down, somewhere near what used to be Finland. The oceans? They don't stay politely in the middle. They rush outward, toward the edges, like a global tsunami on fast forward. The sky is confused too. Air pressure goes wild. The weather decides to quit. Humanity has officially broken geometry.
Now, here's where physics starts laughing at us. On a flat Earth, gravity doesn't pull down, it pulls toward the center of mass, meaning if you're near the edge, you get dragged sideways. Cities slide, mountains tilt, people cling to lampposts like flags in a hurricane. Everything moves toward the center, a giant, screaming pile of chaos. And yet someone online still insists it's not gravity, it's density. Yes, Brian, density. That's why you're currently sliding across the parking lot like a human hockey puck. Without a spherical rotation, the atmosphere just gives up. Hurricanes don't spin. Jet streams vanish. Rain slides sideways. Oxygen pools near the middle, while the edges slowly suffocate. We now have two new climate zones, the breathable blob and the infinite vacuum of nope. The sun no longer rises or sets. It just wiggles awkwardly around the sky. Weather forecast? Good luck, everyone. Governments collapse in 12 minutes. Social media is gone. People panic. Others are already making memes about it. GPS is useless. Time zones? Gone. SpaceX tweets, "Flat Earth achieved. Mission accomplished." Then immediately deletes it. People rush toward the center, the only place gravity doesn't try to murder you sideways. Welcome to the new capital of the world, Middle City. And you thought traffic was bad before.
The oceans have gone rogue. Without a curve to hold them, they spill off the sides, massive waterfalls crashing endlessly into space. Earth has become the galaxy's largest water feature. And of course, humans being humans, someone decides to build a resort near the edge. They call it the Drop Experience. Tickets, $10. Parachute, sold separately. It lasts exactly 6 minutes before gravity sues for negligence. Without a spinning core, Earth loses its magnetic field. Solar radiation floods the planet like an open oven door. Animals migrate in circles. Compasses spin like drunk ballerinas. And the northern lights? They're now everywhere lights. A global aurora of oops. Scientists finally give up and start a betting pool. Which dies first, oxygen, oceans, or human sanity? Spoiler, it's a tie. Weeks later, some life still clings on. Plants mutate. Fish glow in the dark. Humans argue online. A few influencers start a new trend. Hashtag Flat Earth Survivor Challenge. Rules: film yourself not dying for 24 hours. Prize: absolutely nothing. Humanity.
undefeated in misplaced confidence. Some explorers, head for the edge. Armed with duct tape, GoPros, and bad ideas, they trek into the great unknown. Months later, they find it. A glowing waterfall disappearing into infinite darkness. One of them stares and says, "Dude, we should build condos here." And that's how the edge real estate bubble begins. It bursts immediately.
From orbit, Earth now looks pathetic, a burnt pancake wobbling through space. Astronauts aboard the ISS stare silently. Finally, one says, "Houston, we have a geometry problem." The moon drifts away, tides vanish, the sun's gravity starts ripping the flat planet apart, and somewhere out there, aliens take one look and decide, nope. Not worth the visit. Now, what's the point of this cosmic nightmare? To remind us that the universe loves curves. Curves make gravity possible. Curves make planets stable. Curves make life work. We humans spent centuries denying that curve. Even when proven, some still argue. Because deep down, we love being wrong. It keeps life entertaining. Just maybe not this wrong. Eventually, physics gets tired of our nonsense. The planet begins to fold back in, curling, buckling, reforming into a sphere. Gravity returns. Oceans rush home. The air breathes again. And humanity collectively agrees never to mention flat Earth again. Naturally, someone uploads a video claiming it was CGI. Welcome back to the internet. So, what have we learned today? That the world is round for a reason. That science, while complicated, is merciful. And that if Earth ever did flatten, it wouldn't be poetic justice. It would just be chaos, misery, and terrible Wi-Fi. But hey, at least Kevin from Facebook would be happy. For about 3 seconds. Until he slides off the edge. The end. If you enjoyed this hypothetical disaster, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay delightfully round.